Hey guys, we're just going to do a real quick video to show you some parcels that came in the mail today. Obviously they're for Pedro, so we're just going to give you a look at what's inside of it. Okay, so the first thing we got in the mail was actually these seat rail frames. These are from Recaro, Japan, and they're made to bolt directly into a GQ wagon, and then the Recaros bolt on top. So just got the actual seat frame itself, two of these runners per seat. Okay, so these are the seats we got. It's a pair of Recaro Ergo Med DS seats. We were going to order a pair of the specialist medium seats, but these came up for a good price from a used dealer. So these are ones, they've got like heating and cooling in them, as well as electric adjustability in them. Our idea with these is just for the longer trips. It's going to be a lot more comfortable. We did the 3-week trip down to Jindabyne, and the standard seats were okay, but after long days in the car they sort of start getting a bit uncomfortable. So these should help out on the longer trips a lot. So yeah, it's just a quick video to show you the seats that we've got for the Patrol. We're going to do some videos of when we actually put them in the car, how they go in, whether it's easy or not. These also need to be wired up obviously for the electric. Show you through that when we get up to it. Thanks for watching this video, we'll see you next Friday.